Hello viewers, iPhone call not working, showing this error call failed error problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix iPhone call failed error problem. So let's see how to fix it. First of all, go to settings. Now turn on aeroplane mode for 1 minute. Just turn on aeroplane mode and then just turn off aeroplane mode after 1 minute. Now scroll down and go to general. Tap on software update and make sure your phone software version updated in latest version. Now go back, scroll down and find transfer or reset iPhone. Just click on this option. Now click on reset. Now click on reset network settings. Enter your phone passcode and reset your network settings. Now go back to main settings. Now scroll down and find privacy and security option. Just click on it. Now scroll down again and find lockdown mode option. Now go to lockdown mode option. From here, turn off lockdown mode option. Just turn off it. After all this process, now go to phone app and call someone. Look, problem solved. In this way, you can easily solve this problem. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.